Your brain is fried. You can't focus, you're anxious for no reason, and deep down, you know exactly why. You eat junk food, you scroll all day, you watch porn, you play video games. You are overstimulated. And we've all been programmed to live like this. It's now seen as normal to do childish things, even as adults. And when you try to escape, you're ridiculed. So no, it's not your fault, but it is your responsibility to make a change. You feel like shit because you are overstimulated. 73% of Gen Z report feeling lonely or anxious daily. This constant stimulation is frying your nervous system. You can't focus, you can't sleep properly, and your self-esteem is collapsing. Let me ask you something. When's the last time you had the balls to approach a random girl, to speak to a random stranger in public, or to even sit in silence with your own thoughts? I used to scroll TikTok for hours, watch porn almost every single day, and then wonder why I felt behind in life. And the truth is, we were set up to fail. Social media algorithms hijack your subconscious mind. Every swipe equals another hit of dopamine. Processed food is getting more addictive and less nutritious. Hookup culture is sold to us through TV, music, influencers. Softcore porn is all over social media, and if you don't watch porn, you're considered weird. But you're not lazy, you're just addicted to instant gratification. Most people who clicked on this video have already swiped away, because this clip didn't scratch their dopamine itch within the first 5 seconds. Now that I've addressed the issue, let's figure out how you can actually fix it. Number 1, limit social media. You look at social media in a consumer's perspective instead of a producer's perspective. The reason why you call people on social media creators is because they're creating something. This video is me creating something instead of consuming something. Number 2, quit porn. It's warping your brain and how you see women, and it just gives you way too much dopamine for no effort. Number 3, move your body every single day. Lift weights, run, walk, I don't care. Just move your body. It's the best way to reset your dopamine completely naturally. Number 4, meditate. Learn to sit still with your thoughts. Start with 3 minutes, start with 2 minutes, I don't care. Just sit there and focus on your breath. Live in the moment. 5, read books. Your attention span is completely fried. You will fix your attention span by sitting and consuming information slowly, not by a quick dopamine hit. Number 6, eat whole foods. Whole foods heal your body and regulate your dopamine. Now, why does any of this actually matter? Because when you fix your habits, you fix your mind, then you fix your body, and then you fix your entire life. When you're finally present, you start winning. You start actually feeling again. You start actually living. Your brain is fried, but it doesn't need to stay that way. If you want to fix your fitness and level up your lifestyle, click the link in the description. Follow all my social medias, and I'll see you in the next one.